the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo cooking show, guys. Amazing to be in the kitchen. Anyway, I'm gonna give you a simple recipe, a prawn recipe, which you guys gonna love it. All right, I have some leftover prawn, which I did the video a couple of days ago, about a day and a half ago. I made the video, and I did left back some prawn, and I decided to do a sandwich with the prawn. So hopefully you will like the sandwich, and please subscribe, leave your comments in the description box, and also please tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. All right, this is what you can do when you have leftover things at home. Stay tuned. Nice and lovely, guys. So basically, as you can see for yourself, I'm gonna make a lovely sandwich right here. So basically I'm using some seed bread, all right, and I'm using the butter, which I'm using on it is light butter. It's not like salted butter or anything. It's a very, very light butter, guys, honestly. So basically, if you got leftover stuff at home, just don't throw it away in the bin. That's my ideas I want to share with you. You might say, why am I just making a sandwich? But listen, guys, this is some prawn which I make. It's cooked prawn. You can get this in a local shop or your supermarket to buy. And what you do when you buy it, you come home and just add a little bit of ketchup and a lot of mayonnaise to eat with some pepper, and make yourself a lovely sandwich and bring it to work. It's just ideas, guys, you know what I mean? As I say, you don't have to make it. It's just my ideas I want to share with you. That, guys, honestly, you guys can definitely do this at home, all right? And all I'm going to do, you can put racket or you can put spinach, you can, you know what I mean? So I'm just gonna add a little bit of racket to it, all right? And simple. And I'm gonna just cut it into four. It's just amazing. It's just simple, you know what I mean? Things which you guys definitely can do at home, all right? Let's put this at the side, and what I'm gonna do is simply have some more racket left. Just gonna simply just drop it on the plate like that. So you might have said, Chef Ricardo, you're making a sandwich, you can do better than that. Yes, but in a time like this, you have to share ideas, guys. Honestly, you know what I mean? Ideas, good to go. You know what I mean? You can't go wrong with ideas, guys. Honestly. And all you're gonna do is simple. That's it. You might have said, Chef Ricardo, prawn sandwich you're making? Oh, yeah, it's prawn sandwich, but you guys definitely can do that at home. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, and I will see you in the kitchen with more recipes and more ideas, guys. And 100% you guys definitely will love this one. All right, simple, easy and effective. All right, and hopefully, yeah, you can make it at home also too. Stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell. Chef Ricardo sandwich recipe again and again. All right, see you next time. Bye bye.